happiness, and today is Happy National Dog Biscuit Day. Woo! We are making dog biscuit treats by scratch. Let's get our bowl. 2 cups of whole wheat flour, half a cup of peanut butter. Make sure it's unsalted. These ingredients only has dry roasted organic peanuts. And 1 egg. 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder. And 1 cup of water. Mix it all together. Combining. Now we got our dog biscuit dough. Woo! Some wheat flour. Roll it out. Rollin', bowlin'. We're gonna roll it out to a 1/4 inch, aka 1/4. We got our doggy bone cookie cutter. We cut as many as you can. And we can form it back together and make some more. Got the oven 375 for 20 minutes. That's hot. Wow! Yummy! Aha! Should I eat it?
Yeah.
How do you work your...
Oh,